Namaste everyone, my name is Devi Pratyaksha and today we're going to practice Matsyendrasana. The benefits of Matsyendrasana are that it stretches the body and it stretches the abdominal muscles. It is a wonderful exercise for diabetic patients and it makes you flexible. So let's start. For Matsyendrasana, first you have to stretch out your legs in front of you. Bend your legs in this position and then one of the hands needs to go through your legs like this and the other hand needs to hold it like this. Stay in the final position as long as you can and then relax. Now I'll do it from the other side. Relax. You can do this exercise 3 times a day. Bye. Namaste.